Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. Might want to put these on because she's glowing like a new penny, like a brand spanking new, shiny new penny. That's tight. That's tight, tight. GCI Turf Blue Heat, Kentucky Bluegrass, my Ferris Z3X, and my Big League Lawn Roller. GCI Turf Liquids, and that's what you get. So a little bit on the machine right quick. Boone Tractor, my buddy Lance over there in Danville, they're the dealer for Ferris in our area. He and Ferris, the company Ferris, the manufacturer, got together and offered the machine to me at a really good price. It was such a good price, I couldn't turn it down. So that is how I ended up with the Ferris. You know, I'd done the whole Big Mower review series thing, and you'll just have to go back and watch the videos and see what I said about the machine. I'm thoroughly impressed with it. Big time. So that's why I've got one. This is just going to give me an opportunity to use it here at the house all year before we decide to do a fleet purchase maybe in the next year or two, and kind of see which way we want to go. The machine is absolutely fantastic, and it stripes well on its own, but that Big League Lawn Roller is just incredible. It absolutely makes this thing pop like crazy. Of course, I don't have a link for the Ferris, but I do have a link for the Big League Lawn Roller. I'll put that in the description below. You can check it out if you want to. Single double, and then cross it up the opposite way and checkerboard it. And you get this kind of unique pattern to where you have small boxes and little boxes and big boxes and small boxes, and it just looks pretty cool to me. It reminds me of an athletic field. And you know, I'm hot and heavy in that side of the work with my business. I do a lot of athletic field work, and I just like that look, even in my yard right here at home. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know I'm a big fan of striping the turf. I know a lot of you aren't. I respect that 100%. It's your yard, you mow it however the heck you want to mow it. Now the sun is at my back. That way we can see the stripes really well, so I can explain this to you. Now the grass is all one color, okay? When you're standing right over top of it, looking straight down, I can't distinguish between the light and the dark. It's just one color. The yard is cut all at one height. Right now it's cut at 1 3/4 inches. I've been asked before on my first pass, do I cut at one height? And then when I cross it up, do I cut at another height? The answer is no. The entire yard is cut at 1 3/4 inches. The entire thing. I don't change the height of cut on my machine. The roller, the suction from the deck, the quality of the turf, all that determines the quality of the stripe or how hard it will stripe. You can see the sun starting to go behind that cloud up there, and now the stripes are beginning to not pop quite as bad. You have to have the big ball of goodness for this to happen. Now, yeah, you can see stripes in shady conditions or cloudy conditions, but they just pop better with the sun. So let's explain this pattern. I've got one stripe going this way, one mower width wide. I go down, turn around, come down beside it like this, then turn around, go right back down this same stripe, and then when I get to the end down there, I slide over one, and then go down like this. So I'm 2 mower width wide here, and I'm 1 mower width wide here. And then I just repeat that time and time again until I get done mowing the yard. And then I go down there and I start working that same pattern this way. So it's a single double, and then cross it up, single double. In the description below, you will find a dedicated email for this contest. That email is to be used for this contest only. If you send an email to that email address asking questions about products, questions about this, questions about that, we just won't respond. Will not respond whatsoever. It is simply an email for you to send me pictures. It will require you to send me 2 pictures, and I want you to copy this pattern, the single double, and then cross it up single double. I'll put the date down here on the screen so you can see it. You have 30 days to get your entry in. Again, it requires 2 pictures that you email to the specific email in the description below. We have several different emails. If you send it to an email other than the email in the description below, it will not be counted. There is a minimum requirement of 100 entries. So that means 100 of you must submit 2 pictures to me, and they will come to me. I will look at them myself. If we do not meet 100 entries, then the contest is off. Must be a minimum of 100 entries, and if we get those 100 entries, the winner that I select, which will be shortly thereafter the 30-day time period, I'm going to send you a $500 gift card to the website. That means you can go on the GCITurfAcademy.com site and spend $500 at will, get whatever the heck you want. Doesn't matter what you buy, anything on the website. If we get 500 entries, I will double the prize to $1,000. There's a lot of you watching, so 500 entries should not be a big deal. You're gonna mow your grass anyway. It's just for the next 30 days, mow it like this. Mow it 2 or 3 times this pattern and kind of really burn in those stripes. Make sure you catch the sun in the perfect angle, because I want to see the checkerboard. That's what I'm looking for. If you have access to a drone, put a drone in the air. By all means, take drone shots. If you don't, use your phone. Turn your phone sideways when you take the picture, so it's a long form type of picture. Don't send me a picture in a reel format where it's straight up and down. Make sure you turn your phone sideways, make sure it's using the whole screen of your phone, and take a picture. So 100 entries, the prize will be $500 to the yard I pick, and then 500 entries, we'll do a $1,000 prize. So get to mowing. If you need a big league lawn roller to enhance those stripes, go in the description below, get you one, and then start mowing. Like I said, mow 2 or 3 times, get it really burnt into the yard so those stripes pop real good. Make sure the sun is at your back when you take the picture. So I'm looking forward to seeing all the entries. We'll see how this goes. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.